What's the meaning of bumph? Bumph. Bumph.
Bumph. Bumph. The term bumph refers to printed material such as advertisements, flyers, or promotional materials that are often unwanted or discarded. It can also refer to a tedious or unimportant task or trivial information. In essence, bumph is something that is considered insignificant or of little importance. It is often associated with bureaucratic processes that are deemed unnecessary or time-consuming. In conclusion, bumph is a term used to describe unimportant printed materials or tasks that are considered tedious and insignificant.